What about a little lime party Kelly?
Hi! You want to say anything to YouTube? Just that I love her videos.
How many years have I been coming back to have a look at them? And let me show you this little gorgeous Serpenti Forever. And then this bag. I had to show you this one. I have never even seen this in London. When I came in, look at this. Here you can see the shimmering. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I got my little iced coffee. So this morning it was snowing like crazy. When my husband got up, he sent me a little video and it looked so beautiful, so magical. I'm gonna put the little clip in here. And yeah, so today we are going to go onto the Staten Island ferry, I think, because I want to see the Statue of Liberty again. And look, the sun is actually coming out. Can we see? So, and then we're gonna go to our beautiful Christmas dinner. I got a really nice new dress that I found at Bloomingdale's yesterday. And look at this, guys. And always look up in New York, because otherwise you miss all these beautiful buildings. And guys, everybody is so lovely today. I got like 3 coffee stamps. And black fox. It's such a good mood and it's Christmas, you know. You can really feel it. Look at this. That's Brooklyn over there. This is the Staten Island, where the Staten Island ferry stops. And this is the Staten Island ferry. Look at this beautiful sunshine. Look at this, guys. There we have Brooklyn Bridge. Beautiful Manhattan skyline. There's the Statue of Liberty. And this is where we're going to have Christmas Eve dinner. Okay, so Schnuggle, where are we here?
Beekman Hotel.
Wow, that's a tree. You guys know I love my peacocks. That's incredible. Look at the space. What made you choose this place?
Looks as pretty as you.
Oh. And Schnuggle?
Dozen oysters.
And we got the steak.
Mini steak.
And lobster roll. Just have to show you this quickie, because it's so cold. Am I cute?
Very cute.
With my little red earmuffs. And we're inside Tiffany's. Such a gorgeous shop, and the first thing I'm seeing is the scorpion necklace. Yes guys, and I'm still in my skiing suit because otherwise I wouldn't survive. We're gonna look at some wedding bands because mine's actually too small, and something like this would be nice. Go for something like this. And afterwards, guys, we're gonna head over to Bergdorf Goodman. And look, Bvlgari is right across the street as well. That's too big, right, Schnuggle?
That's far too big.
Yeah, that is a little bit too big, I think. Yeah. Yeah, this is a better size. That looks really nice.
I mean, it will be wrong reverse.
What do you think, Schnuggle?
It's nice. It's nice.
This is a good size, right? Look at this. And this is LV, the new 5-story LV boutique. And Bergdorf Goodman. Let's head in. I like this pink backpack. Guys, I thought they discontinued, but they still have the Gabrielle here. And look at this. I like this little clutch. Cool tweet. Look at this. This is a pink. And it's the only one. It looks more red on screen, but believe me, this is the most Barbie pink bag you ever see. Is this too pink?
It's too pink.
It's too pink. Guys, you can actually tuck the straps in like this as well and wear it like a little Kelly bag. I love it. Look at this. I didn't know you could do that with a Chanel 19. I never had a Chanel 19. What about a little lime party Kelly? This is the only color they got here. If you want a white one, they told me it takes a month in New York to actually get one. Once it's your turn on the wait list, basically. Hey guys, and I just met Buna.
Hi!
You want to say anything to YouTube?
Just that I love her videos. I saw all your videos. Yeah, I just went to Hermes to shopping. And now I want to buy a bag for my niece at Chanel. Come say hi, Sabrina.
Hi, Sabrina. You have a really nice bag.
Thank you.
My bag is I think sweetheart bag. Yeah, with the heart.
Oh, it's so nice.
On chain, yeah.
What did you get from MS? Do you want to tell us?
I got a new hair bag mini.
Oh,
the bag,
hair bag mini.
The new style, yeah.
It's so
Nice to meet you. Thank you.
Look at this. This is a half moon size. Which one? Yeah, it's more interesting, right? Guys, this is a little bit more interesting, right? With the Chanel 19 half moon. Honestly, I tell you guys, it's the most Barbie pink color, but it looks almost red. I have the nicest subscribers, Schnuggel.
They were super nice.
They were so lovely. Look at this. They still have it. Oh my god. How many years have I been coming back to have a look at them? Yeah, thank you. Wow. Look at all of these. Oh guys, okay. Should we try on the clutch again? I wonder if they have the green one, the green python one that I always wanted. And just look at this. This is incredible. Okay, let's ask for the green one. And guys, they made it in like a silver now as well. And look at the fries. I love the burger and the fries.
Grandmother.
Yeah, so cool. Okay, here we are again. The same mirror every year. Looking at Judith Leiber bags. They don't know if they have the green one still available. She's checking. I mean, I have enough black and gold bags. But look how they treated the python leather. Like the scales are really flat, which is great for python. And then you got the beautiful onyx eyes, this body, and it's so sparkly. It's a time, finally, for a Judith Leiber clutch. For anyone who's interested, this is such a good price for an exotic. And the way you open and close it is just like it's a magnet, basically. I love how they treated the leather. I know, such a good price for an exotic. And guys, look at this. This is so sparkly. So pretty. While we're waiting to see another special bag, I thought I'm gonna show you this. This is so incredible, but this is heavy as a brick. Super, super heavy, but stunning. Look at these Gabrielle bags. They are stunning, but they're so super expensive. And for all your Fendi lovers, let me know if there's anything special that you would get. You guys know me, I love Karung. This is just gorgeous. I love the leopard.
Do you want to try?
Yeah, it's so cool. It's so cool. Does it have a specific name, this model?
It's a FASHIONPHILE.
Okay. Oh, the pony hair, so soft. Ooh. It's so cold outside. I thought I'd bring my skiing suit.
Looks good.
Yeah, so this is more like a bucket bag now when you cinch it in. I think this is super cool. And look at the texture. Some Dior. Really, really nice. Ooh, look at this alligator handle. And the logo has the alligator there as well. Look at this. That would look good with my outfit. Guys, look at these special exotics. So cool. And you can get me with bling. We know that. Wow, perfect for this time of year. It's like a frozen Lady Dior alligator bag. They have stunning bags. And guys, let's have a look at Celine. We tried this bag on, I still love it. And if you want an overview, this is what they currently got on display. To be honest, what is this? I love it. Hello. This is a bucket bag I would wear. And let's have a look. Oh, I'm still thinking of getting the Tallulah. Every time I see it, I'm like, yes, this one is for me. And some beautiful lizards. Okay, guys. We have not seen this one in Soho. It's so nice. I think this is so perfect for winter. And guys, this is a cute colorway. Any cool Ferragamo bags? This is super cute. Look at this shearling bag. Okay guys, I had to show you this one. Again, you get me with fluffy things. So nice. Such a nice cream color, this hug bag. Do we like it? Wow, look at this special clutch. I've never seen this before. Look at this Bottega. That's interesting. Yeah. And look at this Schiaparelli bag. They are so incredible. I love them, but they cost like £6,000. Oh guys, I have to show you this one. It's a blinked out Pikachu. Oh, this is cool. Love the Anna Wintour one. Oh my god, this is my favorite Pokemon in the world. Lugia, I love it. And look at this Nebula. Wow. I love it how they combine like Dolce & Gabbana with Pokemon. And look at this blingy Birkin. Should we take this one home? All the Judith Leiber bags I wanted had like big scratches and really big scuffs, right, on them. And the green one that I wanted, they couldn't find us. We're gonna head into Bulgari quickly. Okay guys, let's see if they've got any special bags that we haven't seen before that are maybe New York exclusives. This is what we got. The new Marika Transu clutch with a malachite clasp. Super special, super stunning. We know these babies. Can never have enough sparkle in your life, right? Wow. Yeah, look at this stunning Marika Transu bag. This is her new ginkgo leaf clutch. Super special. I love these two. They are the Sugarloaf clutches. They have one that's even puffier, but this reminds me a lot of the cabochon. And guys, look at this baby. Hello. Gold python and another little sparkle baby. Oh wow. I hope you can see the colors properly. It's like the most gorgeous baby pink mixed with gold and carum. And let me show you this little gorgeous Serpenti Forever in gold, because you can never have enough gold bags in your life. Look at this. The python is just in the same way basically treated as the Judith Leiber clutch. The scales are not lifting at all, which is perfect. Guys, look at this. This is the new Serpenti Forever medium top handle. They changed the proportions slightly. You know, this is the new version of the ones we got in Dubai. Serpenti Forever with the top handle. Look at the stunning natural lizard. This is gorgeous. I love it. We have to try this one on. Love the python as well. Really nice color. And this would look amazing with my coat. Yes, look at the Schnigge. Match made in heaven. My little furry coat. Yeah. And then this bag. Oh yeah, show me. That would look cute, having my Labubu hanging off my Serpenti bag. And guys, I had to show you this one. I have never even seen this in London. This gorgeous natural lizard skin, and look how the gold is popping against the enamel. And we got the beautiful black onyx eyes. This is such a dream bag. I think this is my favorite so far. This is my favorite so far. The natural lizard, and honestly look how the gold pops, right?
Looks like the one in Dubai. Yeah, you did get one in Dubai, didn't you?
Okay, that lizard bag was beautiful, and you saw your watch as well.
Yeah.
And Christmas Day, and we're on our way to the original Magnolia Bakery because they have the best cupcakes. They are so delicious. This is my favorite. Look at this goodness. Yummy. And also try the banana pudding here. And somebody's very excited. Well, me. Look at these cupcakes. And Central Park. It's so quiet on Christmas Day. It's, yeah, it's freezing.
It's freezing.
Snow on Christmas Day in New York. And the most gorgeous dogs in New York. And look at that, guys, the boat's house in Central Park. How beautiful is this? And guys, this is where we're going to have our Christmas dinner. And here we got our starter. Such a nice place. And our main, we're gonna share a burger, some spinach, a good steak. Bon appetit, Schnuggle.
Bon appetit.
Another ice cold morning. Cheers.
Nice coffee.
With iced coffee. And we're back on top of the rock. And it's such a glorious, beautiful day again. That's Central Park, and we're looking uptown towards the Bronx. Stunning, Schnugger, huh? Every time again. Look at this, guys. That's a view. And funny enough, can you see this? That's LV. That's Louis Vuitton. We're still gonna go in. And this is downtown, guys. I love this view of the Empire State Building so much. Let me try and zoom in. I hope you can see something against the sun. And there's the Statue of Liberty. Just look at this view. And there's the big Celine on Madison Avenue. Okay, guys, look at this. Yes, it is. Look at this gorgeous little red lizard bag. I like the red. Even though you guys know red's not my color, I really like this burgundy. And this bag caught my attention when I came in. Look at this. Here you can see the shimmering of the crystals properly. Wow. I don't even know what the name of this box bag is. I think I've never seen it in London. It's yeah, definitely a model I haven't seen before. And we're just having dinner at Grand Central Station now. Snacks, some more oysters, and we got recognized again at the Beekman. I just got this comment, so I just want to say hi. You should have come over and said hi. I love meeting you guys. And that's the oyster bar. Wow, Schnuggle. This looks amazing. Let's dig in. Okay guys, so that was it for today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, join our little handbag obsessed family here, because we all do have the same luxury disease. And yeah, I see you again very, very soon.